Hello everyone, welcome to Serene Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Bitcoin and a few coins that I'll be shorting. Okay, so as usual, this is no financial advice and please do your own research. So my basis now is that Bitcoin is ranging between the purple line and the green line, and my thesis is that it's going to break down from here. As you can see, there's a tight consolidation between this area here, and the EMA is trending downwards. And thus, I will assume there will be a breakdown from the range over here. And my short-term plan now is to short all coins that are weak to gain some extra money. But the thing is, my long-term plan is that I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, seeing that this 40k should be quite a strong support. However, please take note that if it goes down to 40k again, please do not place any spot limit orders here, as 40k has been really tested here. So the orders here have already been filled. So now there are less orders supporting this 40k region. And if you consolidate here and may break down further, maybe you will retest, maybe let's say maybe around 38k and maybe 35k. Yeah. But the thing is, I am not too worried because seeing the on-chain analysis is that the long-term holders are still accumulating and they're not selling, as you want to follow what the smart money do. And that is one of the main reasons why I'm still bullish on Bitcoin and crypto market in general for the long term ahead. But in the short term, I'm still bearish, and thus I'll be, as they all said, the trends are fair until the very end. Thus I'll ride the short-term trend, let's short all coins that I think is weak until the trend ended. So some of the coins I'm shorting will be alchemists. As you can see, for the both 4-hour and daily chart, it's been on a downtrend. And if you look at the daily chart, as I draw a trend line from here, it has reacted quite well to this long-term trend line, as every time it has touched the trend line, it has bounced down. And as you can see from here, it goes down, it tests here again with these 3 weeks for a daily time frame, and then it goes down again. So that makes me quite bearish on alchemists. And we want both the entry time frame and the high time frame to show the same results. And the 4-hour and day time frame have both shown us that it's on a downtrend. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place a short order here, and then my stop loss will simply be 180 here above the 8 EMA. As you can see, it's starting to respect the 8 EMA over here. So take profit will be around, let's say 230.6 and 203. So you can split your take profit into two, or if you are scared and you want to just like me, you can just take all your profit at 230.6. And now I'll go on to my second shorts that I'm looking at, will be loop ring. So this, as you can see from the daily time frame, it has been breakout of this like range over here, and it has breakdown of its 200-day EMA, which is a sign of weakness. And the thing about loop ring is it has been gone up too fast, and for things that gone up too fast, it will dump even harder. So as you can see, we have not really, like, after this pump all the way up, we have not really set base support. So thus, there may be a chance that it's going to go down this area over here. Yeah. So for the 4-hour, I'm also looking at the 4-hour time frame. So what my plan is, as you can see, it follows the 8 EMA quite closely. So I'm simply going to place an order here, as the MACD is also crossing down, crossed down. I'm just going to place an order here, and I'm going to show my stop loss using 1 ATR above the 8 EMA. So ideally my take profit will be at 0.6364 area here because I'm greedy. But the most likely scenario is you're not going to hit this target, and what's going to happen is going to get stopped out after a stop loss. But don't worry, we will still be able to earn profit from this, just that it's not a huge amount. Okay, so now for the last shorts I'm looking at will be Atlas. So Atlas is quite interesting. So Atlas has been testing is, okay, we don't include this candle over here. So Atlas is going to test its previous low, all-time low as seen over here. So as you can see for the daily time frame is also like trending downwards. As you can see, it's testing this 8 EMA as getting squeezed. So and then the 4 hour is also the same thing. So what I expect is it will consolidate around this area here and then it break down from here, and that's why I enter. But this is under the assumption that it breaks down. So if you don't break down, I will enter any trade at all. So please keep a lookout for that. And then for the stop loss, I think I'll just simply place maybe above this, depending on how the price action go. I'll update more about Twitter, but most likely it's just above on HR above this, the highest of this candle over here. So yeah, so in summarize this, I feel Bitcoin is still bearish for the short term, and these are the 3 shots I'm looking at. Okay, so if you like this content, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing. Thank you.